The Industrial Revolution, which took place from the late 18th to the 19th century, was a transformative period that marked a major shift from agrarian economies to industrialized, machine-based production. It began in Britain and spread to Europe and the United States, fundamentally changing industries like textiles, iron, and coal mining. At the heart of the Industrial Revolution were groundbreaking inventions and innovations that drastically increased productivity. The spinning jenny invented by James Hargreaves allowed workers to spin multiple threads simultaneously, revolutionizing textile production. The steam engine, developed by James Watt, became crucial for powering factories, locomotives, and ships, boosting transportation and trade. The introduction of the power loom mechanized the weaving process, further accelerating manufacturing. The Industrial Revolution not only transformed industries, but also had profound social and economic impacts. Large numbers of people moved from rural areas to cities, leading to urbanization. Factory jobs offered new employment opportunities, but working conditions were often dangerous, with long hours, low pay, and child labor being common issues. This period also saw the rise of a new social class, the industrial middle class, and the expansion of the working class. Urbanization brought challenges like overcrowded living conditions, poor sanitation, and public health crises. However, it also led to significant advancements in infrastructure, with improved roads, canals, and later railways revolutionizing transportation. Communication advanced too, with the invention of the telegraph by Samuel Morse, which allowed for faster transmission of information over long distances. The Industrial Revolution played a key role in shaping modern capitalism and global trade. Mass production lowered costs, making goods more affordable and accessible to a growing population. Additionally, the rise of factories and the availability of goods spurred consumer culture, as people had more disposable income to spend on manufactured products. However, the era was not without its downsides. The exploitation of workers, environmental degradation, and increased class tensions were significant consequences. Labor unions eventually emerged to fight for workers' rights, advocating for better wages, shorter workdays, and safer working conditions.